Alright, so let's do a quick exposure of the head and neck and chest. So just starting anteriorly, you see these dark little stringy insertion points on either side. These are the carotid arteries that insert in. Working to kind of get deeper in, I had to cut through the sternohiatus, which was the internal muscle that we looked at before, um, in order to expose Alright, so we're going to start with a quick exposure of the head and neck. So here is the neck muscles. We can see here and here, these dark stringy insertion points. These are the carotid arteries. Um, I had to dissect through the sternohyoid muscle to expose the trachea right here, which, if I can bring you a little bit closer, you can see has a bunch of encircling muscles on it. So little rings that go through the length of it. And this leads us into the thoracic cavity. First, you can obviously see this four-chambered heart. This is a new adaptation in mammals, these two ventricles and two atrium. It's hard to palpate. The whole thing is pretty rigid because it's such a strong muscle. Going up, you can see the aorta, as well as the lobes of the lung. You can see there's one here, there's one here. But yeah, and then the most important feature of the thoracic cavity is this thin membrane right here. This is a muscle called the diaphragm, which is newly found in mammals that helps to contract, which brings air into the lungs, and then when it relaxes, the air can move out of the lungs or be breathed out.